intellect, you're watching Insights for You today. Do you have problems paraphrasing manually? Do you want to beat any plagiarism test by paraphrasing, but you find it so difficult? Or perhaps you're looking for quicker content production for your blogs or brands? Then you're watching the right video. Stay tuned. Alright, article rewriters, commonly called paraphrasing tools, are software that uses some programming forms to create a lot of unique content in robotized ways without the need for you to think about it. They help you to deliver exceptional articles from an original piece. In this video, I'm going to show you the two best paraphrasing tools to remove plagiarism from your research paper, your thesis, or whatever document you want to do. They are free, although their premium versions are the bomb. So this is how we are going to do it. I'll copy a text from the internet, which definitely will be 100% plagiarized. Then I'll paraphrase the text using the two paraphrasing tools or rewriter apps. Then we check the result for plagiarism and see what we get. So let's start with Quillbot. Quillbot is a good and free paraphrasing tool that I will recommend to you anytime, anywhere. It paraphrases just like a human being would do. You can get it on this link here on your screen. You have to sign up for free to paraphrase 7 words at a time, but it's an excellent tool for paraphrasing as it doesn't paraphrase keywords unlike other article rewriters. So this is it. So since I've already signed up for free, I'll be able to work with a maximum of 700 words on Quillbot. So copy, paste, and go. If you understand how plagiarism checkers work, you would know that this result from Quillbot would pass any plagiarism test, be it on Grammarly, Turnitin, Plagiarism Checker X, or whatever plagiarism checker you wish to use. However, let's run a plagiarism test on the result on Plagiarism Checker X to clear all doubts. Check this out. So the similarity index for Quillbot is 10%. Okay. The second rewriter app I'll be showing you is Paraphrasing tool. Let's repeat the same process for our second article rewriter, available at the link showing on your screen. So here we are. I'll paraphrase the same text and then paste it like this. The maximum number of words allowed for paraphrasing tool is 10,000 words. Don't forget to click on the recapture here. It's just trying to make sure you're not a robot. If you also want to spin the proper nouns or capitalize words, then just click on include capitalized words icon right here. If otherwise, click on go icon and here we are. The results are beautiful, well paraphrased, although certain keywords which you don't want to be touched may be paraphrased. There are also lots of ads on paraphrasing too, which may put one off. Now it's time to conduct a plagiarism test on the results from paraphrasing tool. 51% similarity index. I think that's rather high. So, if you want to remove plagiarism, the best article rewriter app is Quillbot Paraphrasing tool. Thanks for watching. If you liked my video, please hit the like button. Please give it a thumbs up as it encourages me to make more videos for your insights. You can check out other videos that will help you achieve your academic goals easily. Be safe always. Love you. Bye.